Hello friends, and welcome to another video. Today's video is going to be basically a nail polish review of this gel nail polish that I found off of, I've seen it both on Amazon and eBay, but I ended up ordering it off of eBay because I had a better deal, and the deal was buy four get four free. I don't exactly remember how much each was. There's a couple different sellers who had different prices and different deals, and I went with the 4 for 4 deal. And they're by the brand Lavender Violets. They're nail gel, soak off, UV LED, color coat gel, and I have 8 different colors. They have a wide range of different colors, and because of that they have number names instead of color names. So what I want to do is I'm going to do a swab test of each color on these fake nails, and I'll probably do 1 coat and then 2 coats and then show you how that looks. And these are the 8 different colors that I got. So let's go ahead and look at the nail polishes. This first one is D203, and this is what it looks like. So this is more of a light pink color, and this is D204. This next one is D211. This is a more of a navy blue color. Next we have D212, and this is a dark purple. Fifth we have D213. This is a smoky gray color. And then we have D230, bright almost orangey red. Next is D236, and this is an aqua blue color. And lastly we have D239. And this is a black color. And I did get all sparkly polishes, so some of these should be a little bit more sparkly than others, but yeah, none of these are plain polishes. So next I'm going to go ahead and do a swatch test for each of these colors, and so you'll see that in just a bit. And that's about it for me, guys. I will say that I thought a lot of these colors were really pretty. They had chunky glitter in them, which was nice, and they went on pretty smoothly. I did put them on my nails after, and they didn't take a long time to cure, which was good. And overall, I would rate these 4 out of 5. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks, guys.